In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website if you want visitors to read or download a document right on your page. The built-in PDF viewer is the simplest way to do it. We'll start in the Wix editor. On the left side of the editor, find the plus icon labeled Add. Click that to open the panel of items you can place on your page. From that panel, choose the Embed Code category. This is where Wix keeps elements that display external or document content. Scroll through the options until you see PDF Viewer. The viewer gives your audience built-in controls like zoom and download, so it's much more user-friendly than just linking a file. Click PDF Viewer, and Wix will drop a viewer placeholder onto your page. With the viewer selected, look for the option that says Upload PDF. Click Upload PDF to connect your document. Wix now opens your Media Manager, which is your site's file library. Because we're bringing in a new document, click Add File. This tells Wix you want to add a new file to your library rather than choose an existing one. Next, click Upload Media. This opens the ways you can bring files into the library. Choose Upload from Computer to browse your device. In your file picker, navigate to the PDF you want to show on your site, select it to start the upload. A quick tip: use a descriptive file name and keep the size reasonable so it loads quickly for your visitors. While it uploads, you'll see a progress indicator. Wait until the upload completes to avoid broken previews. Once the upload finishes, select your PDF in the library. Wix will attach it to the viewer on your page, and you should see the live preview inside the frame. If the preview takes a moment, that's normal. Give it a second to render. Your visitors will now be able to scroll through pages, zoom in, and download the document right from the viewer. That's it. You opened the Add panel, went to Embed Code, chose PDF Viewer, used Upload PDF, clicked Add File, selected Upload Media, picked Upload from Computer, and then selected your PDF. Follow these exact steps anytime you need to display brochures, menus, forms, or reports on your site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your PDFs with a clean, professional look.